Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to keep reading about the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. Today we will read to find out how she invented a healthy lollipop. Let's take a look. So today we will be thinking about how. Say how. How did Alina make Lollipops? What was her discovery process? We talked about discovery process in our introduction day. Look at the word make. Say make. Make is present tense. It's happening right now. For example, I make my bed every day. If it were in the past, the word is made. Say made. For example, I made a cake for my mom's birthday last year. I want you to think about how you could use make in a sentence. Something that you're doing right now. Do you make cereal for breakfast? Do you make a sandwich for lunch? Say make in a sentence. Okay, now think about something that you did in the past. Made. Use made in a sentence. Okay, so today, as we read, we are going to think, how did Alina make Lollipops? We will use our sequence of events words that we've done before at school. Say them with me. First, next, then, last. One more time. First, next, then, last. As we read today, think, how did Alina make Lollipops? Let's look at our vocabulary before we start. We know some of these words from reading the first part of the article. Let's review. Dentist. Say each one after me. Dentists. This person. Scientist. Scientists. Scientist. Scientists. Tooth. Teeth. Cavities. Okay, here are some new words. Talk. These two people are talking to each other. That's in the present tense, happening right now. Talked, past tense. Told, past tense. Say each one with me. Talk, talked, told. Pick one word and use it in a sentence. I could say, I talk with my mom and dad every day on the phone. You say a sentence. Okay, next word, learn. When you get new information in your brain. Learn right now, learned in the past. Pick one of those and think of a sentence for that word. I like to learn at school. You say a sentence. Okay. Look at this picture here. These teeth are not clean. These teeth are clean. Here, not clean. They are dirty. Yuck. These teeth are clean. Think of a sentence using clean or not clean. I could say, I brush my teeth twice a day to keep them clean. You say a sentence. Okay. Last new word, mess. Say mess. Look at this mess in the kitchen. Think of a sentence using the word mess. My son makes a mess with his toys. You say a sentence. Okay, now let's read. Remember, as we're reading, we're going to think about how did Alina make Lollipops? We want to think what she did first, next, then last. Let's read together. Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. We read this part already. We're going to start from here as we think about how Alina made Lollipops. Please read from here to yourself. Let's read it together. What inspired you to create Lollipops? Once I went to the bank with my dad. Someone offered me a lollipop. I love candy. I know it is bad for my teeth, though. I asked my dad, can we make a sucker that is really good for you? Now you please read from here to here. Let's read it together. What happened next? First, we had to learn some new things. We did research on candy and teeth. We talked to dentists. They told us that cavities are a big problem for kids. They explained why cavities happen. Then we talked to food scientists. We learned how to make hard candies. Now please read from here to here. Let's read together. How did you make early versions of the lollipops? We knew we wanted to make lollipops with two special ingredients. These ingredients keep teeth clean. We tried making lollipops at home. It did not work. We made a huge mess. Then we found a factory that could make the lollipops. My friends all tasted the lollipops. They told me what they thought. So this part that we just read has told us how Alina made Lollipops. I want you to think about her discovery process. We know it started when Alina wanted to make a healthy lollipop. Think to yourself what she did first, next, then last. In the next video, we will work together to write the sequence of events to explain how Alina made lollipops. In the meantime, stay safe, keep reading, and I miss you. Bye.